application should look, and I'll show you how it should be run once once it's all in place. As you can see, it doesn't have anything, but notice in the title it says 5 poker hands. In the handout, it only said 3, so that suggests that the number of poker hands is something that can be a variable. The file menu. Okay, there's a save, but the save does not. You're not required to do a save. That was um, originally there was going to be saving it to a database, but that's been kind of overcome by events. The exit should kind of do exactly what you expect. And then the edit has 2 items that mimic the 2 on the buttons here. This is actually a combo box, which is going to be empty. So what happens when we click deal? We deal as many poker hands as we have, and then notice that there's a little scroll bar to kind of handle, make sure that we can actually see all this. And we're not going to do anything like that. We're not going to actually sort of play. I mean, obviously, if we had a little more time, we could determine the winning hands. We could decide whether you're going to draw and which, and etc. If we wanted to get fancy, we could even have a version of Texas Hold'em or something like that. But we're not going to do that. All we're going to do is just kind of do this. Now, the edit menu, the deal there should do exactly the same thing. And now notice that now there's a deal 0 and deal 1. And as we keep hitting deals, whether here or up on the button, as you'll see, we get these are all saved to the combo box. And so what we can do is we can go back to the previous deals, whatever they are, and these are the same. These aren't regenerated. These should be the saved ones that were actually there. And then as we deal new ones, we could basically do that. Now, the other item is the clear button. So when we hit clear or clear from the edit menu, then now notice that the deal count picks up where it where it had been before, but nevertheless, we kind of keep doing that. And then finally, if we want to exit, we have a safe exit, and that is what the application does. Now, there's a whole lot of stuff under the hood, and that's the reason why this is sort of a project, is because it's incumbent on you to figure out how to do all that. These images are going to be in a zip file, which is provided on the Sakai site, and we've seen how to read images from it, from a zip file, not from this particular one. So you'll have to kind of figure out how to do that. You'll also have to figure out how to map the images in that zip file to the playing cards. The playing card objects are going to be exactly the ones that you created in a previous assignment, and so that's all just reusing that. And you'll need to maybe create some additional objects, which are again going to be up to you to do things like be in this combo box here. So that is the final project.